back in those years and what happened this year. Facts to be told. There is anger in the land. There is hunger in the land. There is aggravation in the land. People are being held in total disdain. Nobody even cares about their welfare. As we speak, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is not even in the country to even celebrate with his people. So that shows you the difference as regard to the way in which this country is being governed. To speak to the fact, when you compare the commercial prices of things, common food items that Nigeria consumes, normally on an Easter day of this nature, you will have rice, chicken, other beverages that people use in their homes. It's a staple food. It's nothing too expensive. But they cannot afford to buy those materials or those particular food items anymore. People stay back in their home, holding onto their chin and thinking, what have I gotten myself into? That, for me, is the difference between the last year or the previous year and today. And the government does not really care. So people are only doing individual celebration and supporting their people to ensure they have a joyful Easter. So the anger and the hunger in the land has been aggravated within this particular leadership or governance of this state that does not care about the interests of the people, which they have sworn to do based on the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Unfortunately, they have just seen it.
Okay, so looking at the state of the nation, what is your word for Nigerians?
Nigerians should know that there's always a time for you to bring out your needs and demands. Do not stay at home and keep quiet as regard to things that are happening within your domain. What happened within your domain may be different from what happened within another person's domain. But if there is happiness among all the domains, the happiness will resonate in everywhere. So also is sadness. So at the point in which sadness comes and nobody cares about you, you have the fundamental right to raise your voice on this particular matter. And once you raise your voice, it is for the people who are in position of power to take a cue and make corrections so that the people that they pledge to lead will be happy with the governance in which they promise the people.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.